Are you ready to take your YouTube game to the next level in 2025? If you're a beginner looking to create stunning content that captivates your audience, you've clicked on the right video. Today, we're diving into the top 5 best cameras for YouTube beginners that will elevate your vlogging, tutorials, and creative projects. In this video, brought to you by Tech Outta Here, we'll explore the essential features you need to consider when choosing your first camera. From stunning video quality to user-friendly interfaces, we've got you covered. Stick around as we unveil our top picks that combine affordability with professional-grade performance. Whether you're shooting in your living room or out in the wild, these cameras will help you shine on screen. So, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for notifications, because you won't want to miss these game-changing recommendations. Let's jump right in and discover the perfect camera to kickstart your YouTube journey. Number 5. Fujifilm XT200. Style meets functionality. The Fujifilm XT200 is a stunning blend of retro aesthetics and modern technology, making it a fantastic choice for YouTube beginners. With its lightweight design and sleek body, this camera is incredibly portable, perfect for on-the-go shooting. The 24.2 megapixel APS-C sensor delivers vibrant colors and sharp details, ensuring your videos look professional right from the start. One of its standout features is the 3.5-inch vari-angle touchscreen, allowing you to frame your shots effortlessly. Whether you're vlogging or capturing dynamic angles, the XT200 also offers 4K video recording, giving you the flexibility to create high-quality content without breaking the bank. While it ranks at number 5, it's important to note that it lacks some advanced features found in higher-ranked models, such as superior low-light performance and faster autofocus. However, its stylish design and user-friendly interface make it an excellent entry point for aspiring creators. If you're looking for a camera that combines style with functionality, the Fujifilm XT200 is a solid choice. Number 4. Panasonic Lumix G7. Unleash your inner filmmaker. The Panasonic Lumix G7 is a powerhouse for budding filmmakers, offering a perfect balance of performance and versatility. With its 16-megapixel Micro Four Thirds sensor, this camera captures stunning 4K video at 30 frames per second, allowing you to create cinematic quality content that stands out. One of its most impressive features is the intuitive touchscreen interface, which makes navigating settings and focusing a breeze. The G7 also boasts a high-resolution electronic viewfinder, providing a clear and immersive shooting experience. Its lightweight design and compact body make it easy to carry, whether you're filming in a studio or out in the field. While the G7 excels in video capabilities, it ranks at number 4 due to its slightly slower autofocus compared to higher-ranked models, which may be a consideration for fast-paced shooting. However, for those looking to unleash their creativity and explore the world of filmmaking, the Panasonic Lumix G7 is an exceptional choice that won't disappoint. Number 3. Nikon Z30, your gateway to stunning videos. The Nikon Z30 is a remarkable camera designed specifically for content creators, making it an ideal choice for YouTube beginners. With its 20.9 megapixel APS-C sensor, this camera delivers exceptional image quality and vibrant colors, ensuring your videos pop with life. One of the standout features of the Z30 is its impressive 4K video recording capabilities, allowing you to capture stunning footage without any crop. The fully articulating touchscreen is perfect for vlogging, enabling you to frame yourself effortlessly while keeping an eye on your composition. Additionally, the built-in microphone input ensures that your audio quality matches your video, a crucial aspect for engaging content. While the Z30 ranks at number 3, it slightly trails behind higher-ranked models in terms of battery life and advanced autofocus features. However, its user-friendly interface and compact design make it a fantastic option for those looking to elevate their video production skills. With the Nikon Z30, you're well on your way to creating stunning videos that captivate your audience. Number 2. Sony Z10, perfect for vlogging adventures. The Sony Z10 is a game-changer for aspiring vloggers, designed with features that cater specifically to content creation. With its 24.2 megapixel APS-C sensor, this camera captures stunningly detailed images and vibrant colors, ensuring your videos look professional and engaging. One of the standout attributes of the Z10 is its exceptional autofocus system, which includes real-time eye autofocus and object tracking, making it easy to keep your subject in sharp focus, even during dynamic movements. The fully articulating touchscreen is a vlogger's dream, allowing for easy framing and monitoring of shots from any angle. Plus, the built-in directional microphone and windscreen ensure crystal-clear audio, a must-have for outdoor adventures. While it ranks at number 2, it slightly falls short of the top-ranked model in terms of low-light performance. However, the Z10's user-friendly interface and vlogging-specific features make it an outstanding choice for anyone looking to elevate their video content and embark on exciting vlogging adventures. Number 1. Canon EOS M50 Mark III. Capture your creativity. The Canon EOS M50 Mark III stands out as the ultimate choice for YouTube beginners, combining exceptional performance with user-friendly features. With its 24.1 megapixel APS-C sensor, this camera delivers stunning image quality and vibrant colors, making every video a visual treat. One of its most impressive attributes is the dual-pixel autofocus system, which ensures fast and accurate focusing, even in challenging lighting conditions. The fully articulating touchscreen is perfect for vlogging, allowing you to easily frame your shots and monitor your content. Additionally, the M50 Mark III offers 4K video recording, giving you the flexibility to create high-quality content that captures your audience's attention. While it outshines the Sony Z10 in terms of overall usability and color science, it does have a slight crop in 4K mode. However, the combination of its intuitive interface, excellent audio options, and creative filters makes the Canon EOS M50 Mark III the top pick for anyone eager to capture their creativity and engage their viewers. We've explored the top 5 best cameras for YouTube beginners in 2025, each offering unique features to help you create stunning content. Starting with the stylish Fujifilm XT200 at number 5, we moved up to the versatile Panasonic Lumix G7 at number 4. The Nikon Z30 took the number 3 spot, providing an excellent gateway to stunning videos. At number 2, the Sony Z10 showcased its vlogging prowess. And finally, we crowned the Canon EOS M50 Mark III as our top pick for its perfect blend of performance and user-friendliness. Each of these cameras has something special to offer, whether you're vlogging, creating tutorials, or capturing adventures. If you're ready to take the plunge into content creation, consider exploring these fantastic options further. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Tech Outta Here, and hit that notification bell for more insightful content. Your journey into the world of YouTube starts now, so grab your camera and unleash your creativity. Let's make some amazing videos together.